Guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, it is a bullish day for crypto, and I should say the entire financial markets in the United States and globally pretty much, because the Fed did cut interest rates by 50 basis points. Now, again, crypto's been going parabolic, and I'm interested to see what's actually going to happen tonight when the market opens in New York. It's going to be absolutely fascinating. I'm going to go over that, basically what's going on with Bitcoin now. It is above 62K or thereabouts. We're going to have a look at that. Sui updates as well, XRP news, of course, and my 3 commas bots are in full swing and they're working quite nicely. So we're going to go over those and get onto some news with X. All right, so let's get into the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting freaking interesting in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. All right, so make sure you give it a thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. All right, formalities are out of the way. Straight to community tab today. It is the 19th of September, bullish day. First and foremost, these are the returns that I've gotten with the 3 commas trading bots on gate.io. Now, both are official partners of my channel, and my members will get a discount if you use those links, all right? Of course, on the 3 commas bot trading software. Now, it's been freaking incredible, but 39.84% return this month, and that's pretty incredible stuff. So, yeah, there's $248 made in like 3 days because the market's going well, right? Now, again, all of the links are there. Here are the screenshots. Go check it out. Up to you if you want to do it. Join the Wall Street Bull University. I'm putting updates in there, and I literally just posted in there about a couple of hours ago. So the latest trading bots are set up in there. Moving down, yes, the Federal Reserve did cut the interest rates by 50 basis points, sending crypto skywards, and this is the early stages of a bull market. So very, very nice, positive news to see that. And I can't wait for the Australian Reserve Bank to follow suit as well, but I don't think they're going to be as lenient. They are meeting next week in Australia, so we'll see what happens, right? Incredible. Anyway, Hedera as well, 22 hours ago. I did mention this in my video yesterday. This is bullish news, but they are joining with, Ripple and Aptos Foundation. So keep an eye on those tokens. And also, if you haven't watched my video from yesterday, go watch it, because there are some cryptocurrencies, altcoins that you should be paying very close attention to that Grayscale have actually got the trusts for. Go watch that video, all right? Anyway, moving on, let's go to CoinMarketCap today. Total market cap's 2.14 trillion. There is $92 billion in volume, so it has increased 43%. That is significant, guys. That is huge. 57% Bitcoin dominance, 44% on the Fear and Greed Index. Just want to say 43% is massive, right? Bitcoin's currently above still, 62,000, up 2.61%. Ethereum's 2,400. Everything is in the green. Solana's $138. XRP's at 58 cents. AVAX $25. Toncoin's at $5.77. Sui as well, 13% at $1.36. There was plenty of opportunity to accumulate this, and there still is, in my opinion. So go and have a look at that. XLM's at 9 cents. Hedera's at 5 cents as well. There's still incredible buying. ALGO, 13 cents. Very, very nice to see that, guys. CKB has been pumping like mad all freaking week. It's up like 100% on the week. Go look at the charts. In actual fact, let's just bring it up right here. 24 hours it's down, 7 days right here, 97%. 30 days it's up 118%. On the year, 544%. That is freaking crazy. All right, go and have a look on CoinMarketCap. Have a look at those gems. Let's get into crypto bubbles. And yes, before I do have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. This is where I put up all my trading bots with 3 commas, all my buys, my sells, my trades, my indicators, All of this goes up in here, the news before I go live on the channel. Also, my dividend investing, which provides cash flow every single month. And again, that's working incredibly well. I put up basically what's making me money, sharing that with my incredible community. There is a free membership to this, and there's also a paid membership. So up to you. If you are a paid member, thank you very much. It really goes a long way to help support my channel and do the things that I do. So thank you very much. I really appreciate it. You guys rock. And if you're a free member, thank you very much anyway. You'll learn some pretty cool stuff. So go join up. I want to get this up truly to some big numbers here because I want to build an awesome community. And you can speak to everybody in there, and you can also direct message me if you want as well. It just makes things so much better than Discord, all right? Now, going to 3 commas, again, I did make some adjustments. I have set up multiple bots now, single pairs, trading Say, CKB, Sui, and this one here hasn't triggered off a deal, but it's called Nero ETH. It's an interesting one. And again, the multi-bot that is set up here, which again has been incredibly profitable, guys. Again, with 10x leverage, I just want to point that out on Gate.io. Be careful with the leverage trading, is right, because you can get wiped very, very quickly with this, all right? But you can see all the altcoins right here. Again, Immutable X, Injective, Jasmy, Ondo, Optimism, some meme coins in there as well, which again, I don't hold, but I trade because it's pretty crazy. XRP, of course, eCash, CS Celestia, I believe it is. We've got Say in there as well. I'm even doubling up on that. And Reef, Quant, ICP. We've got Ethereum and Bitcoin. Really, really cool, guys. Trading the markets 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, coming to Gate.io, this is the exchange that I use because, again, look at that. It's just filled an order on there, which is cool. It allows you to trade with leverage. In Australia, we have really tight regulations on leverage trading, so just bear that in mind. Again, I've chosen Gate.io because it reminds me very much of the old OKX. And the only reason why OKX was, has to come into compliance with the Australian regulations was because they opened up an office here. They had to become compliant. So 2 exchanges for leverage trading in Australia. There's Bybit, which I don't like. I tried it out for a little bit. It was horrible. And Gate.io, basically the same as OKX. I'm not kidding, right? So anyway, bullish on Gate.io. Here are all the positions right now. Some are in profit. I've got 27 deals going at the moment with positions, sats, Acro right here, really, really nice. Coming over to the completed position, the completed deals, trade history, transaction. No, where are we, guys? Sorry, guys. Let's have a look. Position history. Here we go. It may not seem like a lot every deal, but there's a lot of them going on. 47 cents, 48, 96, 96. This is all in USDT, by the way. There is a lot. There is a lot going on at the moment. All today. Like if you keep scrolling down, you can see it's all the 19th. All the 19th. I mean, it adds up. And this is the thing. Look at this one on ETH. That closed out today. It made $2.26, sorry. But you have to understand that it closes out deals and it just keeps going and runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So I don't have to necessarily sit here and watch the markets. The only thing you got to bear in mind when you're trading with leverage is if there is a massive market drop because like Grayscale or someone decides to sell, well, you're going to get liquidated. So just bear that in mind. Take your profits out of your trading deals. Now you can see right here, I've got 27 positions opened up. And just a quick one, you can see there's 152 USDT. And I could take 50% of that, move that into a spot trading account. It won't get liquidated. And also using an isolated instead of cross margin. So isolated margin, meaning if you get liquidated from that particular deal, it's not going to cross collateralize and take all the money. All right. Anyway, go join up in the Wall Street Bull University. Go check that out because there's some bullish stuff going on in there. And who doesn't want to make some profits, right? Anyway, let's get into this, guys. And again, that's making on average, like, again, between $50 to $100 a day in the last couple of days because the market's going well. This is what happens, right? That's the reason why I started it. Very, very nice. Now, moving on, let's go to crypto bubbles. Again, Celestia is doing quite incredibly well. 18% on the day, 4% on the hour. That's nuts. And of course, we do have on the day, let's just have a look. Say's up 22%, 12 on the week. Popcat, you could trade this at 21% on the day, which is crazy. And Sui, 13% on the day. It's still up 212 this year. Very, very nice to see that. Now, let's get into the news with these rate cuts because this is crazy stuff for cryptocurrencies and investors in general, right? But the Federal Reserve cut interest rates on Wednesday for the first time in 4 years, stepping back from its aggressive bid to cool the world's largest economy and reduce inflation. America's central bank, which lifted rates to a 2-decade high after a price growth surged its highest level in a generation, announced its cut of 50 basis points, or it's 0.50, right? Policymakers at the Fed also expect to cut rates by an additional 50 basis points this year, according to projections released alongside the news, after rising on the news of Wall Street end of the day down slightly, with the S&P 500 dropping 0.29%. So yes, the stocks are down, but crypto is pumping right now, which is crazy. And yes, we just saw that Bitcoin is still holding strong above that 62K level. It did drop down a little bit today, but it's, you know, hovering around that level, which is nice. And again, this is following the news of the Federal Reserve as well. So bullish day for cryptocurrencies. And yes, liquidations have shot up to $200 million on the daily scale, with shorts representing the lion's share. Naturally, Bitcoin leads the way with a $75 million in wrecked positions as well. So those of you who shorted the market, you're going to get wrecked. And again, it goes both ways, so just keep that one in mind. Quickly going to Sui, could soon be Solana's fiercest competitor. K33 Research, this is incredible, but Solana may be the top alternative layer 1 next to Ethereum, which is the truth right now, but Sui Network could eventually rival that position, speculates analysts from K33 Research. In September 18th, they basically, David Zimmerman, right, he said that Sui's performance relative to Solana, combined with its architecture and upcoming game console release, could make it a top contender among the layer 1s. And again, I'm bullish on Sui and Solana. Solana often steals the focus of layer 1 wars, but while Solana/ETH has gained 6% in August, Sui and Solana has rallied 115% in the same period. So don't sleep on this. It's not financial advice, but Sui is definitely on my books and radars to accumulate more of. Chief Legal Officer from Ripple, we're just going to get through this, names critical factor for securing the top position in US crypto. Now again, if the US regulators had been more supportive in the crypto industry and not resulted in regulation by enforcement approach, America's crypto industry would be light years ahead, believes Stuart Algorand. Legend, by the way. And Algorand was part of the panel of the Financial Markets Quality Conference, an event organized by Pasaras Center of Financial Markets, which is interesting. Straight off the bat, Stuart Algorand took shots at the SEC, calling the policymakers to remove the impetus for unelected bureaucrats who are running these regulatory agencies to create policy through enforcement. And that's the truth. And not everyone agreed with Algorand's Robin Hood's Gallagher's right here, but who previously a high-ranking SEC official before he switched to private practice, believes Harris would wage a war against crypto. Now again, Ripple CLO, crypto regulations right here. Algorand dug even further down on his criticism of the SEC. I mean, he's been in a battle with them for a long freaking time. But it revealed that Ripple is committed to ensuring the pro-innovation legislators take positions of power in November elections, which is interesting, and has donated $190 million to ensure the anti-crypto candidates are pushed out, which again is very, very bullish stuff right here. Going to cryptometer.io, let's have a look. This website tends to have a freaking mind of its own. Let's have a look here. We can see it there. Ethereum, Apex, we've got BCH, ARB, Pepe. That's pretty much it. Now let's go to X, guys. And there's some pretty crazy stuff going on X, I will say, by the way. All that stuff with Diddy is creepy, man. Wow. Can't believe all of that stuff. That's horrible. In a bad way. It's just disgusting to see what's happened there. Anyway, I'm not going to get into that. 6,600 people. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely freaking rock. Again, don't F this up. Raoul Powell speaking the absolute truth. Lego Formula One, that is bullish. Now again, let's just have a quick listen to Jerome Powell.
Around the world have cut many of them several times. We've waited, and I think that patience has really paid dividends in the form of our confidence that inflation is moving sustainably under 2%. So I think that is what enables us to take this strong move today. I do not think that anyone should look at this and say, oh, this is the new pace. You have to think about it in terms of the base case. Of course, what happens will happen. So in the base case, what you see is look at the S&P. You see cuts moving along. The sense of this is we're recalibrating policy down over time to a more neutral level, and we're moving at the pace that we think is appropriate given developments in the economy in the base case. The economy can develop in a way that would cause us to go faster or slower, but that's what the base case says.
That's bullish. I mean, seriously, that is bullish. And yes, it's still around that $62,000 level. And again, the S&P 500 rises to a new all-time high after the Fed again cut the rates. And that is pretty much it, guys. Tether reports record-breaking $5.2 billion profit in the first half of this year. And that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you very much. I'll speak to everyone soon. Take care of yourselves. Join the Wall Street Bull University because there's some wild stuff brewing in there. And hopefully these bots start ticking up again, making, you know, those $800 to $1,000 days, because that's going to be crazy. Anyway, guys, stay bullish. I'll speak to you soon. Peace out.